Good morning students. In this video we discuss about the Mahajanapada and the Magadha Empire. First we have to know what is Mahajanapada. In Sanskrit term, Maha means great and Janapada means foothold of people. So Mahajanapada means a large number of people living together in an area. But in history, Mahajanapada means independent state. As per Buddhist text Anguttara Nikaya and Jaina text Bhagavati Sutta, there were 16 Mahajanapadas in 6th century BC. Now we know about some important Mahajanapada, its capital and where it were located presently. First, Magadha. Its capital was at Rajagriha and presently it located in Patna and Gaya. Then Avanti. Its capital was at Ujjaini and its present name is also Ujjaini. Then Kasi. Its capital was at Varanasi and present name is also Varanasi. Then the Kosala. Its capital was at Sravasti and presently located in Uttar Pradesh. Then Bhajji. Its capital was at Vaishali and it presently located in Bihar. Then Kuru. Its capital was at Hastinapur and presently located at Delhi and Meerut. Then Gandhara. Its capital was at Taxila and presently located in Pakistan. Then Anga. Its capital was at Champanagari and its present location is Bihar. Then Sursen. Its capital was at Mathura and its present name is also Mathura. Then the Malla. Its capital was at Kushinagar and presently located in Vaishali of Bihar. Out of 16 Mahajanapadas, Magadha has more significant evidence. So now we discuss about Magadha Empire. The Magadha Empire first ruled by Haryanka dynasty. This dynasty founded by Bimbisara. He ruled from 544 BC to 492 BC. Its capital was at Rajgriha. Bimbisara was contemporary of Gautama Buddha and Mahavira. Bimbisara had 8 queens. He got married to Kosala Devi and got Kasi at dowry. And he also married to Chelna, who is the princess of Vaishali. Then he attacked Anga king Brahmadatta and aided in Magadha Empire. Then he attacked Avanti king Chandproyot, but later he became friend of him by sending his royal physician Jivaka when he was suffering in disease. Then the next ruler was Ajatasattu. He ruled from 492 BC to 462 BC. He killed his father Bimbisara and seized the throne. During his period, both Gautama Buddha and Mahavir were died. He attacked on Bhaji and added to Magadha Empire. And he arranged first Buddhist council at Rajgriha. Then the next king was Udayin. He ruled from 460 BC to 444 BC. He also killed his father Ajatasattu and seized the throne. He founded the city of Pataliputra at the bank of river Ganga. And he shifted his capital from Rajgriha to Pataliputra. Then the next ruler was Aniruddha. After him Mundaka. And the last king of this dynasty was Nagadastak and his minister was Sisunaga. Sisunaga killed Nagadastak and founded the Sisunaga dynasty. The Sisunaga dynasty, founded by Sisunaga. Sisunaga ruled from 412 BC. He first attacked on Avanti and destroyed the Prodhyot dynasty. He shifted his capital from Pataliputra to Vaisali. Then his son Kolasoko was the ruler of this dynasty. Kolasoko arranged the Second Buddhist Council in 383 BC. The last king of this dynasty was Nandivardhan, and his minister was Mahapadmananda. Mahapadmananda killed Nandivardhan and established the Nanda dynasty. The Nanda dynasty, founded by Mahapadmananda, and it was the first non-Kshatriya dynasty. Mahapadmananda described as the first empire builder of Indian history. He had 8 sons. The youngest son was Dhanananda, and he was the greatest king of Nanda dynasty. During the rule of Dhanananda, the foreigners were invited to India. And in next video we discuss about it. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.